Okay, so this right here, this is called a canary melon. That don't look like this, but it's cut up. I don't remember. I don't even know why I just said. I don't know, bro. My brain is not functioning. We're gonna try it. That is sweet. That's good. I wanted to put in my shake, but I don't think it's gonna. It's not gonna taste good, man. Not gonna work. Not gonna blend together properly. Bananas are like the only thing. They're not bad, bro. Anyways, that's the video. We eating a canary melon. Tastes good. That's all you gotta know.